Good morning, children. Today we are going to be discuss about wild animal names. Are you ready, children? Today is a great day to learn new things, children. Okay. First, watch, listen, and speak. Watch, listen, and speak. Children, are you got it? First, you have to do this one. Watch, listen, speak, read, and write. Okay, let's start. This is the deer. Children, this is the deer. Children, this is the so many deers. Children, say I. This is the bear. Children, this is the bear. Children, say to bear I. This is the bear. Hole. Children, this is the hole. Say to hi. Children, say to hi. Hi hole. Hi hole. Children, say hi hole. Hi, how are you? This is the monkey. Children, this is the monkey. Hi monkey. Children, say hi. This is the monkey. Hi monkey. How are you? Children, this is the gorilla. Children, this is the gorilla. Hi gorilla. How are you? Children, say to hi gorilla. Hi gorilla. Children, this is the gorilla. Koala. Children, this is the koala. Children, this is the koala. Children, this is the koala. Children, hi koala. How are you? How are you? Say to children, hi koala. Children, this is the lizard. Children, this is the lizard. Say to lizard hi. Hi lizard. Hi. Children, lizard. This is the lizard. Children, this is the hare. Children, this is the hare. Hi hare. Hi. How are you? Children, say to hare hi. Hi. Children, this is the hare. Children, this is the lion. Children, this is the lion. King of forest. Children, king of forest. This is the lion, king of the forest. Are you got it, children? Are you got it? This is the king of forest. This is the elephant. Children, this is the elephants. Children, this is the elephant. Mother elephant and father elephant and children's. This is the elephants. This is the panda. Children's, this is the panda. Children, say to panda. Hi panda. Hi. Hi panda. Children's, panda eating sugar cans. Panda eating sugar cans. Children's, this is the panda. Giraffe. Children's, this is the giraffe. Wow. Children's, this is the giraffe. Children, this is the giraffe. Hi giraffe. Hi. How are you? Children, this is the giraffe. And fox. Children, this is the fox. Children, this is the fox. And mother fox and children's. Children, this is the mother fox. Children, say to hi. Hi, hi. Camel. Children, this is the camel. Children, This is the camels. This is the camels. Hi camels. Hi. Hi camels. Children, this is the camels. This is the bird. Children, this is the bird. Children, this is the bird. Say to bird is hanging in tree. Children, say to hi. Hi bird. Hi. Children, this is the bird. Say B-A-T. Bird. Children, this is the bird. Kangaroo. Children, kangaroo. Children, mother kangaroo and two children kangaroos. Wow. Say to hi, hi, hi. Hi kangaroo. Children, say hi. Hi. Children, Arctic wolf. Children, this is the wolf. Hi wolf. Hi. Children, say to hi. Hi wolf. Hi. This is the bald eagle. Children, this is the bald eagle. Say to hi. Hi, hi, hi. Children, this is the hi. This is the eagle. Children, eagle. Antelope. Children, this is the antelope. Wow, is the jumping on the rocks. Children, watch this. Jumping on the rocks. Wow, what a wonderful. Wow. Children, today's say to thanks and subscribe the our channels. Children, subscribe the our channel. Thank you.